What's up YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I will be showing you how I created this fun Halloween makeup look inspired by Disney's 101 Dalmatians and Cruella De Vil. So please keep on watching. First, I'm applying my Too Faced Hangover Primer. Next, I'm applying my favorite foundation, the NARS Sheer Glow Foundation in the shade Deauville, and I'm using my Real Techniques Beauty Blender. Make sure it is damp for an even application. Then, I just set my foundation with my Kat Von D Translucent Setting Powder. For brows, I'm using my Annabelle Brow Pencil in the shade Taupe. Okay, now for eyes, I'm using the Mar ColourPop eyeshadow palette, and first I'm applying the shade Highway. After that, I'm dipping into the Zodiac palette by ColourPop, and I'm using the shade Pisces. Because this shade is sparkly, I'm applying it with my finger for a better color payoff. Next, for the under eyes, I'm using my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the shade Fair Neutral. Then, I'm using my damp beauty blender to blend that out. Now, to bronze up the face, I'm using my Too Faced Milk Chocolate Soleil Matte Bronzer to bring some warmth back into my skin. And then I'm layering that with my Too Faced Peach Matte Bronzer. And I'm also using that to contour my nose a little bit. For blush, I'm applying my Becca Illuminous Blush in the shade Foxglove. I like to apply this to my cheeks and also to the tip of my nose. Now for my favorite step, highlighter. I'm mixing two shades from the Crush on You highlighter palette, which are Talking Code and Poker Face. And oh baby, do they ever make you glow. I'm obsessed. Then, after that, I'm going to curl my lashes. And I'm applying my Maybelline Colossal Mascara in the color Black. Now for lashes. These are my favorite set from Huda Beauty. They are the style Samantha No. 7. I'm using the House of Lashes glue to apply them. Alright, now that the lashes are on, it's time to get creative with this fun Halloween look. So I'm using my water activated face paint, and I'm just going to be using the white water activated paint. I'm using this to sketch out the areas where I want my skin to be ripped open. This is where I'll be painting the Dalmatian spots. Once you've sketched out the outlines, you're going to need some liquid latex and toilet paper or some Kleenex. You're going to apply the liquid latex all over the outlines so that you can attach the Kleenex to your skin, which we are going to make look like the skin is being peeled up. And then once you have all that on, take some liquid latex to really secure it to your skin. Then take tweezers to lift inside to give that effect that the skin has been peeled up. Okay, and once you completed that, take your foundation and concealer to blend everything back into your skin. You can also use powders as well. Just whatever you can do to make it blend into your skin so it actually looks like your skin. Okay, and then once you've done that, paint inside the outlines with white water activated paint, or you can even just use a white eyeshadow. And then for the Dalmatian spots, take a black water activated paint to create the spots over the white you've just painted. If you don't have black face paint, you can easily use black eyeliner or even black eyeshadow. Okay, so to make this look gory and gruesome for Halloween, get some zombie blood and put it all along where the skin is lifted. Then, what I like to do is use my finger to spread it around. This will also help blend everything so it looks more realistic. You can even take black eyeshadow or paint and paint it along the inside of where the skin is lifted to create more depth. And just keep adding the fake blood until you are happy with what it looks like. Alright, and then once you did that, repeat all those steps again on the other areas that you've already sketched out on your face. And for the finishing touches, apply a red lipstick. I'm applying my Sephora lip stain in the shade number 01. And there you have it, a Cruella De Vil 101 Dalmatians inspired makeup look. We are looking gory yet glamorous. Now all you need is a fun black and white wig, toss some green earrings in, and put on a fluffy furry jacket or vest, and your costume is complete. Alrighty, well that's the end of my Halloween tutorial for Cruella De Vil. I hope that you guys really enjoyed this. I had so much fun creating this look. And yeah, if you'd like to see any Halloween looks from me, then please leave a comment down below of what you'd like to see. And I will do the best I can. I'm actually so proud of this. So fun, and my face is so itchy. Thank you so much for watching my video, and I hope to see you guys all soon in the next video. Bye-bye!